think I'm crazy, the way I've been craving.
Good morning, y'all. All right, so I wanted to see if I could take you, through bits and pieces of the day. Like, I just got out of bed, and I wanted to see if I could show you just, what I have going on today. I know I love vlogs, and I definitely would like to kind of show this aspect on our channel, especially seeing that the days coming are going to be definitely more eventful. So I'm going to try to see if I can just show you. I'm going to make breakfast, I'm going to wash some stuff, and hopefully we get to go on the road this evening as well. Hopefully I get to vlog it a little bit better. But yeah, I'm going to just show you a chill day in the life. Alright guys, so I made me some ginger honey lime tea and pretty much a bowl of fruits. It's strawberry, pear, and plum. I don't know if any of them will taste good. Sometimes the fruits don't really taste watered down, but I'm gonna try them and see. God knows me thinks so that's something they record all along. I have no idea if it caught when I put these in the pot and I had to be fighting with the oil. I have no clue. More than likely probably didn't. I'm turning this up. After I make breakfast, I'm gonna try to season up and clean up those chicken legs I have. I'm gonna try to do about 6. Yeah, about 6. Thinking about making it with rice and broccoli and cauliflower on the side, seasoned. And tomorrow, probably do the chicken thighs, mashed potato, and the broccoli on the side. So I'm thinking.
Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, Joanna. Ay, ay, ay. Hey, how you gonna play me like Drogba, ho? How you gonna do me like Drogba, ho? Oh, DJ Drogba, ho. Hey, DJ Drogba, ho. Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna?
Alright, so I changed out and put on something different. I am going to do a haul video for the things I got yesterday, and I am going to kind of rinse out the new clothes that I got as well. So let's get into this haul. You guys going to see this into a separate video, I think. Not sure it's going to come first, but that's what I'm going to do now. Hey guys, I'm popping back on the vlog. So I did the haul, and before you know it, when I was testing out the hot tools, I decided I was going to do some Instagram or probably TikTok videos of me unboxing it. I saw like a van pull out. I was like, yes, that means my packages are coming. So the new vendors that I wanted to try, I'm pretty sure I didn't talk about this on my channel. I've been mostly updating people about this on my Instagram. They came and I was able to unbox them and bag them. I'm definitely excited to try them out, I can't really use the first me, I don't even know how to say it, but I'm gonna make them into wigs, test them out, and see how they go. I definitely still want to try out the other two vendors I was thinking about before I can make my final decision, and one still haven't reached as yet. So, this is definitely a journey. It's not gonna be quick. It's not gonna be easy. So I'll be able to test out all these vendors in peace. But I mean, that is a little ching ching, but that's business for you. So let's see what I can do with these. So I am going to hopefully put the new clothes that I want to wear soon, to a quick wash, and hopefully I can wash out some other things as well. Let's see. I just want to do new things today. I'm not gonna wash my dirty clothes until till I have to leave to New York. I would love to do this before my uncle comes home, and I wanted to prep some drumsticks to make for dinner later. Lord God, I'm so busy. Lord God, I'm busy at home, I'm busy abroad. Lord Jesus, I know I can't even make my reel on TikTok them. Anyways, guys, the room is a mess. I do one at a time. I put the clothes them, they go wash. So I can clean up in here, get the wigs them one side, wigs, the bundles them one side, decide if I can buy the things them for make the wigs them that starting tomorrow, which I think would make sense because I'm leaving Friday. So yes, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm not sure when the last I picked up the camera, but I have started to wash and things are going well. I was on the phone with mommy and Orain, so I wasn't able to pick up the camera. So let me show you a little bit. So I'm rinsing out the new clothes, putting it on a light wash, and the other set I had first is dry now. So now I'm attempting, this is Shadeka's Ratchet Kitchen. I'm attempting to clean up this, a few chicken legs to make some sort of a dinner tonight. Yes, this should be interesting. Next time, straight, skinless, boneless, all them something there. It's not my lifestyle, but anyways, I'm gonna clean this up. And kind of season it and get started. Okay, so I've made progress, guys. Alright, so chicken season, flour ready, oil being hot, rice being cooked, and egg. So I'm gonna kind of just make a French fried chicken. I changed my mind. I was going to do side with it, but the meat I'm going to prepare tomorrow, I'll just do it then. I have less work to do with cleaning up the chicken as well, so that's better. Ooh la la la, ooh la la la, ooh la la la, ooh la la la, ooh la la la. It's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la la, it's the natural law that the refugees bring. Ooh la 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 la. So we Guys, I am sorry that I wasn't able to show you all the process because I recorded my phone and I was on my phone talking to Orain. I probably should have screen recorded it, but he was pretty much talking me through the process. Like, honestly, I could have made the entire vlog just me trying to cook. Oh boy. But I mean, well, my issue is always just the meat, to prepare the meat. I can season everything, cook it, fry it, them stuff there, but cleaning meat, not my specialty. Sorry, so I'm making him get the legs them, but the thigh is pretty much cleaned. There's probably a little bit fat on it, and that should be a little bit easier to do, especially knowing what I'm working with now. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue frying the chicken. It should hopefully come up with it looks good. Let's see if it tastes good. But I'm just gonna continue. Alright guys, so the chicken them done cook and them not look a flash. Yeah, them not look bad at all. Everybody know, well, who knows me? I'm the human rice cooker, so this cook good and everything. I really didn't want to do anything extra. I just wanted the fried chicken and the steamed rice. I was gonna do steam broccoli and cauliflower seasoned as a side, but no, it take too long to clean up the meat. Tomorrow I'll do it with the other meal that I have planned. But seeing that it's probably me one left in the house, I don't know. Yeah, so the food done. I don't know if I showed you guys that, but yeah. So pretty much today is literally a house vlog. I won't be able to go on the road today, hopefully tomorrow because it's necessary. I am leaving Friday and I need to get the dress. I have been looking online on places because I really didn't know where to go yesterday, but I get a little bit more of a direction today. So there's 2 stores. I would probably try to visit tomorrow, but one in particular, I think I would go there first. So hopefully, because the selections online I'm seeing, it's like probably better pricing and better option, or probably I did a more detailed search on that online page. And as well, I really need to go to like Walmart and a beauty supply store because I got my bundle. I don't know if I said it. It's like, but I don't know what I want for that again. I see it. I got 2 bundles. I'm testing out suppliers. I definitely need a full-time suppliers. So I'm gonna make them into wigs and kind of test them out and see what's going on. I'm supposed to get one more, but that's supposed to be a pre-made wig. So hopefully I would just have to customize that. And I would like to try 2 more suppliers. Hope to God I'm able to choose one and just move past the stage in my business. I really want to move past this stage. I mean, I can always test more vendors as I go along, but I really just want to have a solid one sort out already.